2, 1. I thought that was supersonic. Wow, what an exciting game we have here.
That smells like shit, by the way.
Eric is hit. We have the retards. Oh, Eric is back in the game.
Hit, tag me. To the game.
Elliot just sitting over there.
Yes, I is.
Yeah. Well, watch out for me.
Hit.
Eric is hit. Jake is hit.
Elliot, hit.
Jake is hit.
Shit.
Eric is hit. No, Eric isn't hit. Back in the game. All right.
Oh, hit.
Elliot is hit.
Hold on, jam.
Got a jam here. Let's stop the game for what do I keep saying, Eric? Joe. And we have the victor. The retard. Didn't see that one coming.
I win, guys.
Oh yeah, there it is.